Hi traders, Joseph here from Eightcap. So we hope you had a fantastic weekend. They always go way too fast, but coming into Monday we've seen more of an active Asian session so far today. We've seen quite a fair bit of selling, particularly on the euro and the euro yen, and there's a bit of pressure now forming on this breakout we saw last week. The euro to the USD is looking slightly stronger at this stage, but the yen has been surprisingly strong so far today, considering it is a Japanese bank holiday at the moment. And we're seeing this selling across the board, so to the pound, the euro and the Aussie. The pound is starting to test this point here, and that could be a little bit interesting tonight to see if we do see a break of that. Basically, it's a pretty chopped up sort of support area, but we've seen a fair bit of demand there going back last week before we saw that move out. So a couple of moves by sellers were flat out rejected, and then we saw that very strong move, but that's been basically retraced now by 2 days of selling, or 2.5 days, including today. And the Aussie as well has broken its medium-term trend, and we're going to just keep a bit of an eye on that as it returns back to if it does return back to this level, which has shown some support. So it's a bit of a quick wrap. There is the EU economic projections coming out later today. I hope I got that right from memory. There's no release time on it. It's tentative, so it will be released sometime into the European session, or late into the European session, which could be early New York session. Now, the main market we wanted to concentrate on now quickly is gold, and stocks continued to move lower on Friday. We saw gold turn around after a pretty strong day down. It was Thursday last week, and we have seen some selling today that's been chewed up, and we're seeing buyers coming back into the market at the European Open. So the support we're watching is basically from 1678.60, and we've got a little bit more short-term support at 1684.42, and now we're seeing some demand from 1691.77. So what we'd like to see is if this bar is suggesting we could see a new move, I'll attempt to add a leg higher. We'd like to see this low here hold, and on the shorter term we'd like to see this low here hold, and we'll see if buyers can move up to test 1712.68 to 1712.70. If we see a break at that point, we'll obviously be looking for a new test of some of those highs we saw in recent time, and that could be, it's getting a little bit ahead of ourselves. The first thing we want to do see is buyers basically hold this level here and push higher to test and then break this level of short-term resistance. So we will see what happens into the London session, and if this new demand that we've seen emerging very late into the Asian session, early European session, can continue and basically turn into a new second day of buying for gold. So there's no key USD news tonight, so it's only that that euro news that's coming out later on. So until tomorrow, we hope you enjoy the rest of your trading day, and until tomorrow, bye for now.